Akuzi, KZ, representing for Simon, aka Shaggy. Yeah, Shaggy cooking lifestyle and cuisine. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. You eat them food, I feel like in a dream. Even if you got somewhere to go, you can relax and tune in. Shaggy Cooking Lifestyle Show. Come and subscribe and get with the flow. If you wanna learn something that you didn't know, yeah, Shaggy Cooking Lifestyle, Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Show is the way to go. You know, I know.
Oh yes, today we're gonna make some white rice and fried chicken. That's on the menu for today. I'm cooking 1 pound of rice today. 1 pound. I'm gonna season up my water so I can put my rice in it. I like to put my rice in hot water or boiling water. Yeah, that's my Maggi cube. Vegetable. That's the first thing I'm going to put into my water. Half a teaspoon of salt. Thyme. And butter. I'm going to add some garlic. I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic. My rice water. And I already seasoned my chicken overnight for it to marinate because I'm going to do in fried chicken. Jamaica style, we call it French fry chicken. Time to add my rice. I'm cutting 2 stalk scallion for my rice, which I'm gonna add just after I cut it. Then I add my thyme leaf. Then I'm gonna put a file paper over my rice so it can be steamed. Give it about 20 minutes for steaming on a low fire, very low flame. There you go. Next thing, we are going to start my fried chicken. I'm gonna pour my oil. I put 4 cloves of garlic and 1 habanero and some pimento This flour is for my chicken. I put a little seasoning in my flour. Part of the egg, we call it the eye, so it don't smell raw. See this little white part here? A little Maggi, all purpose. I put it inside my egg. And also black pepper. Mix it up. So I have my chicken, and I have my eggs, and I have my flour. Waiting on the oil to get hot so I can start. First I dip the chicken in the egg. make sure it's saturated, and then you dip it into the flour. Checking if the oil is ready. So now my oil is ready. I'm gonna put my chicken into the oil, into the grease. Leave the stove on high, and I'll check with it within 15 minutes. While I was dry rubbing my chicken last night, I wasn't videoing, so now I'm gonna let you know what I use to dry rub my chicken. I use the Maggi chicken seasoning, and also I use this seasoning, and I crush garlic, and I just dry rub it and let it sit overnight. I'll be making steamed vegetable to serve with my fried chicken and my white rice. Steamed vegetable. My onion. Broccoli. cabbage. It's time to check my chicken. Start to catch the color. Look at that. Okay, see you in 10 more minutes. Chopping up my cabbage in some large chunks. Again, in large chunks. I love steamed vegetable. You never go wrong with steamed vegetables. For my rice. Oh, almost there. My green onion. A little spinach. This one is a little different from the first one, so you can play around with all the vegetable your choice. All the vegetable of your choice, you can play around with it. This is green bell pepper. Time to check my chicken again. So I'm gonna put a little of my seasoning in this one. Look at it. This is good for vegetable. And a little bit of my Maggi all-purpose. This is it, but I put it into a drawer. Maggi all-purpose. but I put some into a jar so I don't have to open this big can like this and pour it out. All right, I'm gonna get my skillet for my vegetable. Ow! Catch me, I'm gonna put my butter. This is the butter for my vegetable. This is my garlic, chopping up for my butter. That's my habanero, and a little bit of all-purpose. Checking my chicken at the same time, looking good. Look at my rice. Almost there. Give it a couple more minutes. And my butter is well melted with my garlic and my habanero. About to put my vegetable in. Here we go with the vegetable. Don't judge me, oh. That piece gone. All the goodies, look at that. Check my chicken again. My chicken is coming out really good. Pretty good. Look at it. Zoom it there. Look at it. Get in there. My chicken will be ready in 5 more minutes. My chicken is done. Look at this. Check this out. That's the last portion of my chicken. 5 more minutes. Yeah, and my veggie is ready. Look at that. It's ready. Five more minutes and it's gone. It's done. So now I got everything ready. I got my fried chicken ready. I got my vegetable and I have my rice. Look at my rice over here. See that rice? White rice. I'm making my plate because I'm about to eat. My steamed vegetable. I love vegetables. Nice. I love my avocado. Avocado is good for you, whoever it is. So here I go with my nice, delicious meal. Fried chicken with white rice and steamed vegetable. You guys can try this recipe anytime. It's good. Are you hungry yet? I'll make you one more. Look at it. Shaggy cooking and lifestyle. Tell a friend to like, comment, and subscribe.